This video was captured using iPhone XS Max and iOS 14.7.1 with what3words app version 4.10.1. To save the what3words address of your location, tap the Save button at the bottom of the what3words app. For example, search for Cordoba and pick one from the list. Add label to identify the location later. You can save the address of this square to Favorites. Favorites is the default list available in what3words. You can also create a new list to save the location. For example, create a list called Restaurants by typing Add a new list and save the location in this list. Once you save the location, you can go to My Locations to see all the saved locations.